Q. When is an SUV not an SUV? A. When it's a Mercedes-Benz GLA-class. This baby Benz has a higher ride height than its sedan counterpart, the CLA-class, which earns it crossover status, but only just. Its performance-oriented driving characteristics remind us more of a hot hatchback than anything else, and enthusiast drivers should take note. The GLA's cabin is short on space for people and cargo, but it offers high-tech options such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 4 grams LTE connectivity with onboard Wi-Fi. Buyers seeking traditional crossover practicality and roominess would be wise to shop the BMW X1 and the Lexus NX, but the GLA-class is far more entertaining to drive. What's new for 2018? A mild exterior and interior freshening highlights the GLA-class's 2018 update. New front and rear bumpers, new wheel designs, revised LED taillamps, and a grille redesign that incorporates rectangular accents reminiscent of the GLA's bigger brother, the Mercedes-Benz GLS-class, provide enhancements to its already distinctive exterior design. Inside, additional chrome trim sparkles on the center console and door panels. A larger 8.0-inch infotainment screen replaces 2017's 7.0-inch unit, and the gauge cluster has a more legible black background. A few new convenience items join the roster, as well. A backup camera and a foot-activated liftgate are now standard. What was new for 2017? The GLA 250 was unchanged for the 2017 model year. What was new for 2016? Push-button start, dual-zone climate control, an optional backup camera, new selectable drive modes, and adjustable thigh support cushions for the driver and front seat passenger. A new color, kryptonite green metallic, also joins the party.